Hello 12 CBSE students, welcome back to the online session of mathematics. Okay, so already we have started with application of derivatives and we have completed the first exercise in application of derivatives. Today we are going to see the fourth exercise. Kanna. As I have already told you, right, the first and fourth exercise are very important for 1 and 2 mark questions, right? So I want to complete that short answer type questions first. Then we'll go for tangents and normals, increasing, decreasing, and maximum minima. It will be very helpful. It will be like it will be in exponential wise. Okay, so I don't want to jump here and there. Okay, so I want to go exponential wise so that you can understand the concept more clearly and more neatly, right? So today we are going to find approximation. What do you mean by approximation? We are going to find the approximate value for each and every question. That is called as approximation. Okay, sir. How we are going to find, sir? What we are going to find, sir? Very simple, Kana. If you say something root 36, what is the answer? You will say 6. If I am going to say root 36.5, you will think, right? It will be 6 point something else. Like that only we will say, now we are going to find that something else. Okay? If I say root 36, you will say 6. Root 25, you will say 5. Root 49, you will say 7. Correct? Root 144, 12. Now if I am going to say something root 36.5, okay, cube root of 0.09. So if I am going to say like that, we have to calculate, we have to think. We don't know how to calculate, correct? So for that we use approximation. For that we use what? Approximation. To calculate the deviation of a quantity generally. The application of approximation is to calculate the deviation of a quantity, we use approximations, right? Okay, so we'll see the word problems later. First let us try to find some of the questions, Kanna. To find the answers for those questions like this, we have to use a formula like this, Kanna. F of x plus dx is equals to y plus dy. F of x plus dx is equals to y plus dy. So this one formula is used for this entire exercise. So if you remember this one formula, it is more than enough. You can do that entire exercise. Can you understand? Are you clear? Super. Now, what is dx, sir? It is a small increment. What is dy? The small increment happening to x will be corresponding to the small increment which is happening to y. So that is that small increment to y is called as dy. Okay? Can you understand what I am saying? See, if I am going to increase my speed, it means there is increase in my work, correct? Okay? So it means I am going more faster. Correct? So I am moving very fast. So if there is a small increase in x, there will be a correspondingly small increase in y. Okay? So we say it as what? Direct variation. Increase in x will also give increase in y. Sometimes increase in y will also be in negative direction. That we say it as inverse variation. Okay? So to understand better, you first remember this formula. Okay? Now we will go to the sums directly. XI 6.4 Kana, sum number 1. Root of 25.3. If it is root 25, we will directly say the answer is 5. But here they have said root of 25.3. So what I am going to do is root this entire term I am considering it as x. Okay? Since it is a square root, the x value should be a perfect square. The x value should be what? Perfect square. What is a perfect square? 25. And dx will be a small increment. That small increment is 0.03. Okay? Say 0.3, sorry. 25, 0.03. If I add, I'll get x plus dx, correct? I'll get f of x plus dx. Am I right? So 25 plus 0.3 will give you 25.03. So f of x is equals to root of 25.03. Am I right? Yes? Are you clear? Super. See, I have analyzed this one. If I combine these two, I'll get 25.3. F of 25.3 will be y is equals to nothing but f of x, correct? Y is equals to nothing but f of x, which is equals to root x. So I will get 25.3. Am I correct? Yes. Now, what I am doing is, instead of this x, I am substituting the 25. So I will get what? 5. Now, let me consider this as equation number 1. Differentiating equation number 1, what I will get? Dy by dx is equals to 1 by 2 root x. Already you know that root x differentiation is 1 by 2 root x, correct? Taking dx to the other side, correct? Now substituting the x value and dx value. 25 root is 5, 5 into 2 is 10, this one will be 0.3. 1 by 10 into 0.3 will be 0.03. So this will be your what? Dy value. So you have got the value for y and you have got the value for dy. With that I can stop my calculation. Why, sir? f of x plus dx, that is 25 plus 0.3, that is root of 25.3 will be equal to y plus dy. Y is 5, dy is 0.03. So I'll get 5.03 as my approximate answer. Can you understand? So this we say it as approximation. For every sum we are going to use this only. Now check sum number 2, root 0.6, correct? Actually I think this is sum number 3. Sum number 2 is 49 point something else, right? Sum number 3, root of 0.6. So again square root is there, y equal to square root of x. What is the nearest square number? You don't say 0. Okay, the nearest square number is 1. Always the x value should be greater than dx value. When you compare x and dx, x should be too much greater than dx value. So x is 1, dx is minus 0.4. Why you put minus, sir? If I subtract 0.4 from 1, then only I will get 0.6. So x is equals to 1, dx is equals to minus 0.4. See, when I add these two, I will get this value. When I add these two, I will get this value. Am I right? Same logic. So when I am substituting 1 instead of x, I will get 1. I will consider this as equation number 1. Now differentiating equation 1. What will happen? 1 by 2 root x. So 1 by 2 root x into dx. Substituting x and dx, I will get minus 0.2. So y I have got, dy also I have got. So dy and y is present, correct? Just add these two, I will get my approximate value. Can you understand? Yes. Are you clear? Super. Now let me go for question number 4, Kanna. Okay, so question number 4 is 0.009 whole power 1 by 3. Okay, 0.009 whole power 1 by 3. Now since it is 1 by 3, I am considering y is equals to x power 1 by 3. Okay, where x is, what will be the nearest cube root for this number, Kanna? The nearest cube root will be 0.008. Why, sir? Which number if you multiply 3 times you will get 0.008? Check. When I multiply 0.2 into 0.2 into 0.2, I will get 0.008. Am I right? So when I multiply 0.2 thrice, I will get 0.008. So my cube root value will be 0.008 and dx will be 0.001. Can you understand what I am saying? Yes. Super. Now y is equals to cube root of 0.008. Cube root is present here. So 3 times when I multiply, I will get 0.008. So the 0.008 I can write it as 0.2 the whole cube, whole power 1 by 3. Am I correct? If I cancel, I will get 0.2. So I have got the y value. Am I right? Now I have to differentiate. If I differentiate the first one, 1 by 3 x power 1 by 3 minus 1, 1 by 3 x power minus 2 by 3. When it goes to denominator, it will become plus 2 by 3. Substituting this one 0.008 and dx as 0.001. See, I have calculated here. How I have did 0.008 whole power 2 by 3. First power 1 by 3 will be 2, 0.2. 0.2 square will be 0.04. So 0.008 whole power 2 by 3 is 0.04. Am I correct? So I have substituted here. Calculated it. Correct? So it will become 1 by 12. Am I right? So 1 by 12 is nothing but 0.008. Correct? So I have got dy value. I have got y value. Just add both two. You will get the approximate value. Can you understand? Yes. First finding y is equals to something. Getting the value of x, whether it is a square root, according to that you will take a square number. If it is a cube root, according to that you will take a cube number, and substituting it, getting y value, differentiating it, getting dy value, adding both, you will get the answer. Understood the logic? Yes. Now I have given nearly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sums Kana here. In this 8 sums I am going to tell you the methodology. You are just going to calculate and substitute the answers. Okay. Now in first one, it is 0.999 whole power 1 by 3, correct? So it is a cube root. So in fifth sum, what you will do is you will write y is equals to x power 1 by 3, okay, where x is equals to 1 and dx will be equal to minus 0.001, correct? If from 1, if I subtract this one, I will get this value. Am I right? Cube root of 1 is 1, so y is equals to 1 power 1 by 3, which is equals to 1. So let me consider it as equation 1. If I differentiate, dy by dx will be equal to x 1 by 3 x power minus 2 by 3. So it will become 1 by 3 x power 2 by 3 into dx. So when you substitute, you know what is dx value, what is x value. When you substitute, you will get y. So at last your answer will be what? Y plus dy. So just add it, you will get the answer. Can you understand? Yes, so same logic you are going to follow for each and every sum, Kanna, which is very, very important. What about this sum, sir? What about this sum? Very simple. Again, y is equals to x power 1 by 4. Fourth root they have said. So, what is the nearest to fourth power, Kanna? 16. So, x is equals to 16, shall I say? Why, sir? 16 can be written as 2 power 4. So, when I put like this, it will become 2 power 4 the whole power 1 by 4. Am I correct? If you cancel, you will get the y value as 2. What will be dx? Dx will be minus 1. From 16, if I subtract minus 1, then only I will get 15. Am I right? Yes. Okay, see, since it is fourth root, Kanna, I am taking 16. Okay, since it is fourth root, I am taking 16 because 2 power 4 is 16. From 16, if I subtract minus 1, I will get 15. Then I have got y. Now differentiate this one. dy by dx is equals to 1 by 4 x power 1 minus 1 by 4. So minus 3 by 4. Am I right? So what you will get at last? You will get 1 by 4 x power 3 by 4 into dx. This will be your dy. You know what is dx, what is x value, substitute and get the answer. How will you get 2 power 3 by 4, sir? Very simple. First, how will you get 16 power 3 by 4, sir? 16 power 1 by 4 is 2. 2 cube is 8. So, 16 power 3 by 4 will be 8. First you take the square root or a cube root or the fourth root. Then square it or cube it or take power 4, whatever it is. Okay. So, first we have to take root, then only you have to cube or square it. You can get the answer very easily. Understood? Again, y plus dy will be your answer. Am I correct? Okay. How to do this sum? Can you tell me? So again, I'll consider y is equals to x power 1 by 3. What is the nearest cube root of 26, Kanna? 27. Super. Dx will be what? Minus 1. 27 minus 1 will give you 26. Why you have taken 27, sir? 27 can be written as 3 power 3. Correct? So when I take y is equals to 3 power 3 whole power 1 by 3, I can cancel it. Because of that, I am considering like this. Then differentiate it, get dy. So y plus dy will be your answer. Can you understand? Yes. How will you do this sum, sir? What is the nearest to fourth root of 255, sir? 256. Y equal to x power 1 by 4. What is x value? X is equals to 256. For whose power you will get 256, sir? 6 into 1 is 36. 6 into 1 is 6. 6 into 6 is 36. 6 into 3 is how much? 36 into 6 will give you, 4 into 4 will be equal to 16. 16 into 4 is 64. 64 into 4 is 256. Correct? So I can write this one as 4 power 4. So when you substitute y is equals to 4 power 4 whole power 1 by 4. 4 can I cancel? What will be dx? It will be equal to minus 1. Get y and dy. Just add it. You will get the answer. Can you understand? Yes. Is it very simple? Easy? Nothing, Kanna. Very, very simple question. Just like that you can do. Okay. No need to confuse yourself at all. What is the number given? Check where what power it is. If it is a square root, the nearest to square number you should take. Square root, this is cube root, the nearest cube number is 27. This is fourth root, the nearest to fourth power is 16. And similarly, this is fourth root, the nearest to fourth power is 256. Now, for this one, what will be the nearest to square root, sir? Y is equals to x power 1 by 2. And they have said 37 la. So I will consider x is equals to 0.0036. Okay, and dx is equals to 0.0001. When I add these two, I will get 37. Correct? Why I have taken 36, sir? Because x is equals to 0.6 if I whole square it. Sorry, 0.06 if I whole square it, I will get 0.36. Correct? Yes, 0.06 if I square it, what will happen? I will get 0.6. So y will be equal to 0.06 whole square whole power 1 by 2. If I cancel, I will get y value. Again differentiate it, get dy, add y and dy, that will be your answer. Can you understand? Yes. Can you tell me for this one what is x? Cube root 26.57. So it is x is equals to 27. What will be dx, sir? From 27, what you subtract to get 0.57, Kanna? Because it is 26.5. So below 1 we should subtract. Correct? Can I say that if I subtract 0.43, okay, from x, my x value will be equal to 27. My dx is equals to minus 0.43. If I subtract, I'll get 0.57. Correct? So 26.57 I'll get. Am I right? For this one, sir, it is whole power 3 by 2. You consider y is equals to x power 3 by 2. Square root only we have to check. Correct? So since the denominator is 2, we have to check square root. What is the nearest to square number? Obviously 4. Now what will be dx? It will be what? 0.3.968. So it will be minus 0.068 means 32. Correct? Yes, if I add 32 with 68, I will get 100, right? So 68 means 32. So put and substitute here, you will get the answer. Understood the logic? Yes. What about the last sum, sir? Fifth power they have said, Kanna. So you can take y is equals to x power 1 by 5. X is obviously 32. Dx is equals to 0.15. Why 32, sir? 32 is nothing but 2 power 5. Then only when I put substitute to y, it will be cancelled. Am I right? So I should consider the fifth power. If it is fifth root, I should consider fifth power. If it is square root, I should consider square. Okay. If it is cube root, I should consider cube power. If it is fourth root, I should consider fourth power. Then only my answer will get cancelled. Can you understand? So this is how I find x and this is how I find dx. By getting y and dy, you can complete your answer. Understood? So I want you people to complete all this answer. Kana. Everything is 1 or 2 mark question. So please do it without fail. It is very, very important. Okay? Clear? Let us go with the last 3 sums of this exercise. Okay? So I want you people to try out all the other sums. Already I have said everything is 1 mark or a 2 mark question. Very simple, right? When I see this sum, I remember a person student wrote like that. Kana. See, f of x is equals to 4x square plus 5x plus 2. They are asking what is f of 2.01. What he did is directly substituted 2.01 inside and he found the answer. You can ask me, sir, is it wrong? Nothing wrong, it is right. But using approximation formula in differentiation, we should not do like that. Using approximation formula in differentiation, we should not do like that. What formula we should use? Already I told you, f of x plus dx is equals to y plus dy. F of x plus dx will be equal to what? Y plus dy. So let me consider f of x is equals to y. Okay. Now what I am doing is x is equals to 2, dx is equals to 0.01. Okay. Now let me take this f of x. Kanna. Okay. So this is y. So y is equals to 4 into directly substitute 2 square 5 into 2 plus 2. So 2 square is what? 4. 4 into 4 is 16 plus 10 plus 2. 26 plus 2 it will become 28. So y value is 28. Am I correct? Yes. Now what I have to do is let me differentiate this one. This is anyway y. So dy by dx will be equal to, if I differentiate, I'll get 8x plus 5. So dy will be equal to what? 8x plus 5 into dx. Am I correct? Now what is x value? X value is 2. What is dx value? Dx value is 0.01. Am I right? 16 plus 5 will be equal to how much? 21 into 0.01. So it will become 0.21. Am I right? So this is your dy. Now f of x plus dx will be equal to y plus dy. So f of 2.01 is equals to 28 plus 0.21. So my total answer will be 28.21. Can you understand? Consider f of x as y, find the answer. Where x will be equal to a number and dx will be equal to 0.01. That's all. Can you understand the logic? Yes. Are you clear? Okay. Now let me go with sum number 4. Kanna. What is sum number 4 they have given? Find the approximate volume of a cube. Find the approximate volume of a cube, okay, of side x meter caused by increasing the side by 1%, they are saying. Okay, so now what I am doing is volume of cube is equals to x cube. So let x be the side of cube, correct? X be what? Side of cube. Volume of a cube is x cube. They have said if I differentiate with respect to x, what will happen? It will become 3x square. So dv is equals to 3x square into dx, correct? They are saying that the side is increased by 1%. Side is increased by 1%. It means x increased by 1%. So if x is increased by 1%, what it will happen? 1% of x. So 1 by 100 of x. So x by 100, am I correct? Yes, am I correct or not? So it will be 0.01 into x, am I correct? Okay, so the side is increased, it means your dx value is 0.01x. Now substituting here, so dv is equals to 3x square into 0.01x. So it will become 0.03 into x cube, meter cube. Why meter cube? They have given the sign in meters. If it is increasing, we should put positive. If they have said a word decreasing here, what you will do, Kanna? You have to put a negative sign here. Can you understand? If it is increasing, your dx is positive. If it is decreasing, you have to put a negative sign. So here also it will become a negative sign. I think the next sum number 5 is decreasing, right? So put a negative sign and find the answer. They have given volume of a cube. You know it is x cube. What is volume of a sphere, Kanna? 4 by 3 pi r square. Correct? Sorry, pi r cube. What is the volume of a cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay, so depending on that, we can easily do the sum, right? Now, question number 7. Radius of the sphere is measured as 7 meter and there is an error of 0.02 meter. So, r is equals to 7 meter. Error means dr, Kanna. 0.02 meter. Find the error in the volume. What is volume of a sphere? Just now I said 4 by 3 pi r cube. What is dv by dr? dv by dr will be equal to 4 by 3 pi. R cube differentiation is 3r square. Am I correct? 3 can I cancel? They are asking change in volume. Change in volume means dv they are asking. So 4 pi r square into dr. 4 pi r square into dr. Correct? So what will happen now? 4 pi r square is how much? 7 square. What is the dr? dr is 0.02 times of r. Sorry, 0.02. Correct? So what will happen actually? 7 square is 49. 4 pi into 49 into 0.02. What is 49 into 0.02? So if I multiply 2 times 18, 4 into 8 is 9. So it will become 0.98. Correct? 0.98 into 4, what will happen? It will be what? 4 into 8 is 32. 4 into 9 is 36, 37, 38, 39. So it will become 3.92 pi. 3.92 pi. What unit they have given? Meter. So it will become meter cube. Can you understand? Yes, you are clear with all those things, correct? So what is x? What is dx? Substitute it. Get the value of y. Get the value of dy. So that is the logic. Okay. In this entire exercise, you have did two things, Kanna. We have found the value of y. We are finding the value of dy. If you are not understanding, please again and again you see the video. It will be more clear to you. Okay. Finding y and dy. That is what we are doing. We are not doing anything different. And all this word problem you check. V is directly there. Only dx and dy they have given extra. Here they have given dr. Here they have given dx. So something extra they have given. That's all. In all other cases, it is very simple and it is very, very direct. Okay. Very easy exercise. I want each one of you to work out each and every sum in that exercise as well as example. Please complete it in a thorough manner so that it will be very, very helpful to score marks in 1 or 2. Okay. That too in your board exam. Okay, so definitely there will be a question from this part, Kanna. So be clear and be confident for attending a question in this part. Okay, so with this, I'll wind up this session and we'll meet you in next session with more interesting facts of derivatives. Okay, so till that, be strong and be energetic to do all the sums and stay happy, right? Thank you.